Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. I want to do an update about the outdoor computing. Now, I'm running a Bitcoin mine, and I am doing a World Community Grid system right outside here on my balcony. Now, this has kind of become the tech balcony. It's become the tech balcony because I kind of lost my basement during the divorce. And my family, of course, these days, the only people who actually have money are the boomers, people who actually have the housing, right? There was a time that when you were upper middle class in a small town that no one wanted to go to, you could have things like this. I don't understand this stuff. This is my parents' stuff. Boomer stuff. That's where he keeps a pirate treasure. Boomer. Well, maybe not boomer stuff. You get the idea. Jesus, I think I know I'm a hoarder now. No, I'm not a hoarder. Not a hoarder at all. Anyways, getting back to outdoor computing. Now, the reason why I wanted to make these videos and get into this is because I'm concerned about the future, as many of us should be, should we have children. And though I have this craziness, I'm trying to use this craziness to better all humanity. Not just myself, as seems to be the American way, our way, North American way. That's not a shot at Americans. Us Canadians are exactly there too. In fact, I kind of think that the fact that some of y'all out there are going to be all like, "Oh, it's a stupid idea. Why would you do this, you stupid idiot?" I'm trying to do this because I love you guys. Like, seriously, we are not. I'm not a hippie, but look around. Do the freaking math. I mean, nature's having a hard time with all the shit we're putting on it. We need to back it up a little bit. Saying maybe we need to pump the brakes 20 or 30%. And maybe when I talk to electricians, maybe they tell me that this is difficult for the earth if we're running systems 24/7, and then on top of that we're air conditioning the space at the same time. No, guys, let's do this computing outside. Mother Nature's got her own fans. They're powerful. Okay, so right here I got a bit of an awning, right? I got the units out here. It's been wet. We've gone through 3 or 4 rains. These computers are still going now. These are server room computers. I got a Vigilon systems in there. I'll get you in for a good look. Now this one down here, actually I did power this one down. I haven't powered it back up in a day or two. Well, I'm telling you here, I'm just going to push the button. You see? There, it's going. This thing's been outside, outdoors for about over a month now. And then up here we have another one, basically the exact same unit. They both got Titan cards in. I got a Pascal card in here, and in the bottom one I have a Titan X, Pascal, Titan X, Maxwell on the bottom. And the one on the top is working for Bitcoin. The one on the bottom is working for World Community Grid. Now, I know that there's going to be some of you out there disrespecting and being like, yeah, this is janky, this ain't really professional, this ain't all that stuff. Maybe it's not, but it's also, productive for society. So if you're giving me a hard time with that, and I know there's a lot of you who aren't. Like, there's a lot of people who are like, yeah, that's janky, lol. Yeah, laugh with me. Seriously, that's great. That's support for me, and I love that. But for all you out there that like small percentage, let's face it, I want to get in your face. I want to get in your face because you know what? At least I'm doing something for someone who's not me. And I'm just get so upset with people who are only worried about themselves because let's face it, Canada especially, we are in a really, really, really hard place because everyone's thinking about themselves. Nobody's thinking about anybody else. Let's face it, this dream that we were sold to get education and go off to school and get awesome jobs, that didn't work out. So the people who give me a hard time about this stuff, the same people that have screwed up this system. Okay, this is actual information from the source, Department, Commerce Bureau, Census, United States. There was a time where if you had 1 to 4 years of post-secondary education, you were expected to make $72,000. That's 1973 money, or 79 money. This is what we were promised. Guys, I'm not even going to be able to get a house unless I come into money. Though I've worked hard most of my adult life. The majority of my adult life was spent in the freaking factory, legit, straight up. More or less, guys, do something for someone else, legitimately. But let's get back to the topic at hand. Doing computing outdoors. It is absolutely possible. These girls have been running for about a month now. I'm going to keep going, but okay, See his computer over here, Dell Dimension 2400? This system still works, though it's been outside for a week. I found it in an abandoned trailer. I found it in an abandoned trailer, and I just wanted to see if the damn thing would work, so I bring it home, turned it on, bam, it works. Maybe we don't need to be so dainty with this electronics that we're going to be replacing in about 3 years anyways. So yeah, in conclusion, month one, good. We're doing good. Here in Canada, we're in Ontario, just the tip. And yeah, outdoor computing, guys, for her pleasure, for Mother Earth's pleasure, which is one of the only ladies we should be respecting. Have a good one, folks.